Sony World Photography Award 2023 winner turns down the top prize after admitting his image was created by AI.
Oh, that's not good.
Boris Eldegson said he told the organizer of the International Photography Prize that he developed the image using artificial intelligence when they told him he had won the award, claiming he was told to keep the prize anyway.
The Sony World Photography Award. Okay, here's the image.
Jesus. That's a terrifying image, by the way, and I kind of like it.
Ugh.
Something's
going on over here.
It's weird, all the like light leaks and film effects and the weird difference in their expression. It's almost like it would be, no one would ever take a photo like this, which is probably why it won, is because it's so strange. Like, would you pose people like this? I mean, you could. There's no reason you couldn't. But
and was there human intervention as well? Was it spit out strictly this photograph, or, did he do some editing as well?
Manipulation. Yeah. German artist Boris Eldigson's entry, entitled Pseudomnesia. So I think this is like obviously it's a little thought piece over there. The electrician was awarded a Sony World Photography Award last week in the Creative Open category. In a statement on his website, the artist said he applied to the competition as a cheeky monkey to find out if the competitions are prepared for AI images to enter. They are not. He also asked readers how many of you knew or suspected that this was AI generated. I mean, I suspect, I have skepticism of everything I see now, particularly for some artistic endeavor. Like, here's an image for a photography award. There's going to have to be a whole new type of analysis on what even is photography and what are your rules? What are your AI rules around submission?
Can we use Photoshop or Lightroom? Like what? There's AI in there.
People got to come up with rules, man.
Yeah.
And whatever they are, and then people can just follow that for those specific competitions.
Mm-hmm. But man, like Sony, like there must have been many judges to kind of.
Oh, it's tough. You don't know to what extent Sony, the company, is involved versus just sponsoring the event, and then there's a bunch of other people, probably other artists that end up as the judges.
But that's what I mean. Like the judges are fooled. And it's like a numbers game too.
Yeah, that's the other thing is like, to what extent are a lot of people that might be hired for these type of roles, to what extent are they versed in this sort of proliferation of AI? And it's a complicated matter, certainly. Yeah. Man. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.